Hey guys, peace. Welcome back to Run Fam. My name's Holden. Right now I'm just running errands with my mom, but later.
Where are we heading today, guys?
Lightning Rock!
It's a place you can really only go to at low tide. When the tide is up at all, it kind of washes up over the flat area. It makes it slippery and it's kind of fun to go, and the local kids play on it, which is why they call it Sliding Rock. So to get to Sliding Rock, you have to go through the village of TAPUTIMU. So we just got here to Sliding Rock. We just pulled up to the side of the road. We parked right here on the edge of the road. But we know some people around here, so sometimes we'll park at one of the nearby houses. And sometimes they'll ask you to park at the houses. This is what it looks like from up where we're parked out on the road. There's a small beach down there that we'll go through. And then there's just a big flat open kind of lava cliffs over there. The water comes right up to the top of the lava cliffs. It's washing up over the top, and it's going to make them really slippery. So you have to be a little careful as we're walking through there today. You can see over here how the water comes right up, and it makes the whole area really, really slippery. And perfect for kids that want to come out, and they'll go running and they'll drop down the rear ends and they'll slide like 20 feet across that. Looks really painful, but they have a good time doing it. So we're going to take our time. We're not going to go too fast as we're walking across these lava flows. It can be a little slippery, a little treacherous. And that, by the way, is why they call this Sliding Rock. Wear good, grippy shoes because it's very slippy here.
Spread your wings and fly, go!
We have to make it kind of around the little cliff that you're seeing up there, or straight up over it. Both a little bit tricky. So Hadley's taking the go around approach. Holden's taking the go up over approach. Find a stick? Good thing. To protect us, just in case any ninjas come try to get us here. There we are, some tide pools. So they're the two main tide pools. You see the one to the right over here, a little nicer looking, a little cleaner looking. The one to the left gets some runoff from the jungle, so it's a little bit browner looking, but it's a little shallower, easier for the kids to swim in. The water last time was sloshing up over the top, right there where you can see the water spraying out, but it was coming over in huge waves and literally washing people out of the tide pools down into the ocean, which was not really safe. We had to actually pretend to be good parents for once and pull our kids out and tell them that we'd come back another time. We'll do no such thing today. It's so cool, just all the water dripping down. That is not rain. That is just water dripping down from the rainforest. All the rain we've had over the last 2 weeks, seeping through the ground, hitting the bedrock, following it all the way down till it breaks right here and is dripping through. Nice and dry there. You guys make a little house there. Is it dripping on you from up top? Even through the rock, it's dripping on you? There you go. What'd you find? He's a little guy. Just a cute little fella. He's a big fat toad. All right, everybody. I think it's gonna start raining on us pretty soon. I think we should head back to the car. Been a fun day?
Oh yeah. Woo.
All right, let's get going. Can you get up there by yourself, buddy?
Yeah.
Watch out for the slippery water parts, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, but I think you should do it over here more, buddy.
I know how to do this.
Yeah. Nice job, buddy.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Ring that little bell. Please get around.